A panel of judges from the 10th Circuit here in the United States issued a 10-page ruling yesterday where they essentially told us that newly appointed Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh is above the law. That is the essence of the ruling that these judges handed down. Now, to take you back in time a few months, the reason these judges were looking into any potential criminal activity by Brett Kavanaugh is because during his confirmation hearings, there were 83 complaints lodged against Kavanaugh for lying during his testimonies, not just the testimony in September, but also testimonies that he gave in front of the Senate in 2004 and 2006. 83 complaints. Those were sent to Supreme Court Justice John Roberts. Now, since Kavanaugh was being considered for a Supreme Court role, and Roberts did not want to give the appearance of any bias, he sent these complaints to the 10th Circuit to be investigated. Everybody at the time thought, hey, that's going to be great. Well, the 10th Circuit came back and said, there is nothing we can do. We cannot hold him accountable for any of these things he has been accused of doing. They made it kind of clear in his ruling they think he definitely did all these things, but unfortunately their hands are tied because of a 1980 rule that says the only people who can punish or hold Supreme Court justices accountable in any way are the people in Congress. Because Kavanaugh is now currently no longer a district judge, federal judge, whatever it was, they have no authority over him in the 10th District. Had he not been confirmed to the Supreme Court, their investigation likely would have said, yes, he broke the law. Yes, he lied to the Senate on, 3 different times for 3 different years. So yeah, we're going to get him off the bench. He's done for. But instead, in spite of the criminal activity, because of this stupid law, Kavanaugh gets to stay on the Supreme Court even though the evidence against him is overwhelming. And to me, that's one of the biggest problems of the Kavanaugh hearings. It was good that they were bringing in the accusers and hearing from them and investigating that, even though the investigation was a total sham by Republicans. But they should have also spent just as much time on the fact that Kavanaugh clearly, the evidence showed it, lied to Congress in 2004 and 2006, and that should have immediately not only caused him to lose his nomination, but to lose his current seat on the court he was on. But we didn't go that route. Senator Patrick Leahy tried to. Didn't work out because the sexual assault allegations came in and Democrats thought, hell yeah, we've got a slam dunk on those. Didn't sway a single Republican. Didn't. And that sucks. It should have. That alone should have disqualified him. But that's why you can't ever put all your eggs in that one basket. Had we hammered him on the perjury, provided those documents that Leahy has that showed Kavanaugh lied under oath to the Senate, and then given the finishing move of all these accusers against him, we would still have a vacancy on the U.S. Supreme Court today. But unfortunately, we botched the hearings. The FBI intentionally botched the investigations. And now the district court is telling us there is nothing we can do unless Congress eventually has the numbers to impeach this jackass.